In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tradingview arrow tools. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey with chart analysis, marking key points on your charts is essential for clarity and precision. Tradingview provides a variety of tools to help you visualize your trades. And today, we're focusing specifically on how to use arrows to highlight important points like entry and stop loss levels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate, customize, and adjust these tools to streamline your charting process. To get started, open your web browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. Having an account is necessary because Tradingview's charting tools are only available to logged-in users. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. You can create one for free by following their simple registration process. If you need help, there's a link in the description to guide you through signing up. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to accessing the chart product. At the top of the Tradingview homepage, you'll see a menu bar from here. Select the option labeled Chart. This is your main workspace, where all chart analysis and annotations happen. It's the heart of the platform, so getting familiar with it is key for effective trading. Once your chart is open, take a moment to locate the tool panel. You'll find it positioned on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel is your go-to place for all drawing and annotation tools, including the arrow tools we'll be working with today. Think of it as your artist's toolbox. Everything you need to mark up your chart is housed here. Next, let's find the arrow tools themselves. Hover your mouse over the section in the tool panel dedicated to annotations. If you're unsure which one this is, don't worry. It's usually an area with icons for drawing and marking tools. The arrow tools are nested within this section, so you may need to click or hover to reveal the full list of options. Take a moment to explore the different arrow styles that are available. Tradingview offers a variety of designs, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs or personal preference. Now that you've found the arrow tools, let's start by adding an upward arrow. First, select the upward arrow tool from the annotation menu. Once you've done that, click on the chart at the exact point where you entered your trade. This will create a visual marker for your entry level, making it easy to reference as you analyze your trades. Marking your entry point is a helpful way to keep track of your strategy and progress. Next, we'll add a downward arrow to highlight your stop loss level. Select the downward arrow tool from the same annotation menu. Then click on the chart at the price level where you've set your stop loss. This step is important because it visually reinforces your risk management strategy, ensuring you always have a clear reminder of where your protective stop is set. Now that you've added your arrows, let's talk about adjusting or deleting them. If you find that an arrow isn't perfectly placed, don't worry. You can easily move or adjust it. Simply click on the arrow and drag it to the desired position. This allows you to fine-tune your markings for maximum accuracy. And if you ever want to remove an arrow, just select it and press the delete key. Keeping your chart clean and organized is essential, so don't hesitate to remove any unnecessary markings that might clutter your workspace. And that's it. You now know how to locate, use, and customize the arrow tools in Tradingview, making your chart analysis clearer and more efficient. If you have any questions or tips of your own about using Tradingview, feel free to share them in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.